Welcome to Python Programming 2. In the first Python course, we learned how to build Python programs using various kinds of Python statements. In this course, we're going to study Python collections. Applications or programs use collections to store and operate on large amounts of data. For example, suppose that you're building an online library application and you want to write a function that searches the library catalog. The function input is the search term, and the output is the book whose title matches the search term. Unfortunately, you can't write this function just yet. To see why, let's try solving a simpler problem. Suppose that the library has exactly 3 books. Then the function header might be as follows. The function name is search. Title 1, Title 2, and Title 3 are the titles of the 3 books, and the term is the customer's text input. Here's the function body. If the term is equal to Title 1, then the function returns Title 1. If the term is equal to Title 2, then the function returns Title 2. If the term equals Title 3, then the function returns Title 3. If the function doesn't equal any of the titles, then the function returns none. If a new book is added to the library, we need to add a new parameter to the function header and a new elif block to the function body. In general, the number of parameters is equal to the number of books plus 1, and the number of if, elif, and else statements also equals the number of books plus 1. If the library has a large collection of books, then the function header and body would also be very large. In addition, whenever books are added to or removed from the library, we need to change both the function header and body and restart the application. Most libraries are both large and dynamic, so our solution won't work. Thankfully, Python provides collections to address both of these issues. Using collections, we can store many titles inside a single variable. To search Python collections, we can use either while or for loops. Here's a preview. For each title in the list titles, if the title is equal to the term we're searching for, then the function returns title. If the term doesn't match any of the titles, then the function returns none. Python provides many types of collections, including lists, dictionaries, and sets. In this course, we will study 3 of them. Lists, which are the simplest but most useful data structure. Dictionaries, which are key-value pairs or maps, and objects, which are groups of related data. We will also study the for loop, which is a convenient way to perform operations on a collection of elements.